Hi, I'm Palesa, a beauty advisor from the Pond's Institute. Welcome to our Pond's tutorials, where we will show you how to take the very best care of your skin. Today, we'll show you how to perform a simple 3-step skincare regime. To demonstrate, I'm using the Pond's Perfect Color Complex range. A simple 3-step skincare regime should consist of cleansing, toning, and moisturizing twice each day, morning and night. So first, as step 1, we need to cleanse our skin to remove the dirt, excess oil, and impurities. Pond's Perfect Color Complex Beauty Facial Foam cleanses deeply to reduce dullness and brighten your skin. Make sure your hands are clean and wet your face with warm water. Then, squeeze the Pond's Perfect Color Complex Facial Foam onto your fingertips. Using small circular motions with both hands, lather the facial foam all over your face, concentrating on the side of your nose and your forehead. Then, rinse well with warm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Step 2. The toner. Toning completes the cleansing process and refines the texture of your skin. Pond's Perfect Color Complex Toning Lotion refreshes your skin and tightens your pores. For the toner, take a cotton ball or pad and apply the toner to it. It should be damp but not dripping. Gently wipe it all over your face, focusing on the areas where there are generally larger pores. Lastly, as step 3, it's time to moisturize. Moisturizing helps to replace the lost moisture and protect against dehydration. Pond's Perfect Color Complex has a great range of different beauty creams to suit different types of skin. So squeeze a small amount of Pond's Perfect Color Complex Beauty Cream onto your fingertips. Then, distribute the cream around your face by dotting it onto your cheeks, forehead, chin, and nose. And gently rub it into your skin until it's absorbed. Everyone needs a simple 3-step skincare regime. Give the Pond's Perfect Color Complex range a try today. See our website or Facebook page for more details.